Hi, I'm Richard Sklar.
And I'm Jason Sklar from Sklar Associates.
The topic of this video is, can someone still apply for credit under a consumer proposal? To see more videos about consumer proposals in Toronto, click subscribe and you'll get notified right away.
Can I still get credit if I'm under a consumer proposal?
A lot of Sklar and Associate clients want to know about getting credit when they're under a consumer proposal. While you're completing the consumer proposal process, getting a credit card or even a secured credit card can be difficult because your credit's been affected.
Before we get into the topic of credit, let's talk about the difference between secured and unsecured debt. And there's a lot more information about this at davidsklar.com. Secured debt is a loan where the borrower pledges assets to obtain the loan, and if not paid, the lender can seize those assets, like a mortgage or a car loan.
Unsecured debts are debts where the creditors have no rights over the assets of the person who owes the debt. Credit cards, bank loans, hydro and phone bills, those are some examples.
Under a consumer proposal, there's always the chance that having a credit card can lead you back down the slippery slope of unwanted debt. When you're going through a bankruptcy or a consumer proposal, your budget and spending habits have to be under control.
If you have to have credit, be aware that it will be difficult to get approved. When you've got your finances under control, a safe way to rebuild your credit is to apply for a secured credit card. But most lenders will want to wait a period of time after your consumer proposal settled before considering providing some sort of credit again.
Once your consumer proposal has been resolved, there's a better chance that you can get a credit card and get back into good financial standing. A Sklar Associates counselor will encourage you to think about credit card spending.
Was it a problem for you in the past? Is your money management now under control? You want to avoid the spending habits that got you here in the first place.
That's part of what we do at Sklar Associates, inspire people to get back into good financial habits.
Bottom line is, you can apply for credit when you're under a consumer proposal. However, it's probably best that you don't. At Sklar Associates, we help you get ahead of your debt. We help our clients manage their cash flow through the consumer proposal process and help them get a fresh start.
If you have any questions about applying for credit under a consumer proposal or credit in general, contact us at Sklar Associates so you can come in for a free consultation.
Leave any questions about applying for credit under consumer proposals in the comments below, and let us know if you want any topics covered.
For more information about applying for credit under a consumer proposal, check out the links below.
Click subscribe to get notified when we post about new videos about consumer proposals.